Landwirt.com is on tour again. And today we are in the Sarntal Valley in South Tyrol visiting the self-built project of Hannes Hochkofler.
I'm Hannes and I'm from the very back of the Sarntal Valley. We are at 1,470 meters above sea level. I work full-time in the family business as a carpenter. I'm also involved in assembly, and then 3 years ago I started doing winter service as well. I had the problem that when there was a lot of snow, I couldn't get the snow far enough out of the street anymore. Then I started thinking, sketching to build a machine, like how the carrier vehicle stays on the road and the snowblower extends out from the road so I can get the snow and drifts far away. I had to build it myself because there was no comparable product on the market, nothing similar. The idea came from me, I sketched it, and then the machine builder turned my idea into reality, and then we just kept trying until it finally worked. After all, it had to be suitable for the road so that when folded up it wouldn't be much wider than the vehicle, but when unfolded it would extend out quite far. Then I found a tiller on Landwirt.com, then a large sturdy boom. It also needed an angle gearbox, then there's the double power takeoff and a reversing gearbox, which is from my front tiller. The attachments that are usually mounted on the hydraulics had to be welded onto the boom for approval, which will happen soon. Or do I still need to do a few small things like the light bar and the power takeoff shaft cover? In terms of time from planning until I bought the machines and had all the parts, it took about 1.5 years. And in terms of price, I'm between 18,000 and 20,000 euros. The advantage with slopes is that I can also mill at about a 30-degree angle. For me, it's a huge relief to work with the milling machine now, since before I used to do it with an old tractor and a rear shovel. And now I can just sit comfortably on the seat and mill at between 1 and 3 or 4 km wherever it's possible.
You can find many more exciting videos as well as a variety of classified ads and used machines on the website of Landwirt.com.